Hey guys, sending emails is a very important part of almost all web applications. In this video I want to show you how we can do this using Django. We are not going to actually send the email, I'm just going to show it in the console, but the process is the same. So if I open up settings.py, I just need to configure Django to show this in the console. To do that, I say email_backend equals django.core.mail.backends.console.email_backend. Usually you would change this to, for example, email backend that it is a SMTP, and then you will just need to configure the username here and a little bit like that. But this is very important because now it's very easy for us to test emails in the console and similar. And then to send the email, we need to import one function from Django, from django.core.mail import send_mail. We can send a very simple test here where we show the success message, send_mail, and then the subject and the message, and who should send this from @example.com. This is then the sender, and who should receive this, and the receiver should be an array. So hi@hello.com and test@hello.com. So these two will now receive this email. And the last parameter for this send mail function is fail silently equals false, because we want to show errors if there is anything wrong. If I save now, go back here, there is nothing there. So let's try to create a task and submit. Task was added. And if I go here now, you should see something like this. So you can see here that there is an email being sent, the subject, who it is sent from, who it's sent to, and then the content, the message. Great. So that's how easy it is to send plain and simple HTML mails. You could also learn more about how to send HTML, for example, Django email multi alternatives. If I then go into the documentation for Django, you can see here, this is the one example that I used. If you scroll down here, you will see how easy it is to send HTML as well. So you just set up this render to string, which references a template. And the templates here looks exactly as a normal HTML template in the rest of our project. But instead of using the send mail, we use a function called email multi-alternatives, which takes a text content and the HTML and similar and just send it. So you just copy this and then replace this send mail functionality, and then the user will receive HTML in their email inbox. As you saw at the top here, there are a few email APIs you can use as well if you want to send using SMTP. I usually go with Mailgun or Mailjet. They are very easy to use and easy to set up with Django. I guess if I just search Mailjet Django, we should get some information about how to do that. You can actually just use this, for example, the Django Mailjet project. Then just set this as the backend, set up these, which you get in the dashboard for Mailjet. And you can then send free emails. I think it's 200 or something like that per month for free. Anyways, that was it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please hit like below, and I will see you in the next video.